Greetings. Look here. I got a Homelite 350 automatic. This probably came right from the early 70s, and we're gonna see if I can get it running. It should be a good time. Let's get to it. Woo! It's gonna take some work. Alright, first things first. This chain is well used. I mean, really well used. So what I'm going to do is we're going to see if I can figure out how to loosen these up. This doesn't fit, and I don't have any others. So we're going to try a wrench, and we're going to take off this clutch guard and get her going. There we go. Oh, that's tight in there. Let's get this off. Ooh, that looks nice. Super straight. There's no burrs on this whatsoever. Alright, I can clean this bar up, and that'll be really nice. You see the oil's running freely on it. It's a little congealed. It's been sitting around a while. Okay. And that looks like the blade, or the chain tensioner. So this will work nicely. This chain I'm not sure if you see that, but this chain, the teeth on this chain are all different sizes. Some of them are broken right off. Well, that's no big deal. New chain we can get. Okay, so got that chain off in here. I mean, it's not that bad. It's a little gummy from oil and stuff, but everything looks operational. I took the cover off. This is nice and clean in here, and the carburetor looks like it's functional. I don't know. This might be easy peasy to run. I think maybe my next step is to throw the cover on and everything, and maybe see if she'll start up. We got the choke on, push that down, that runs. So I'm just going to give it a few pulls, and I doubt anything's going to happen. Well, I wasn't expecting that. This is so weird. Alright, so I know it's getting spark, but it's not getting fuel to maintain it, I don't think. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take the carburetor off, have a look at it. I'll probably need more tools. I don't know why, but I just need to smell all the parts. Yeah, I'll definitely need. I'll need a few smaller. What is that? Well, that line's probably going to break, so I'll probably need a new line as well. But anyway, we're gonna get this. We're gonna give this a good look over here in a second, and I'll be right back. I need to get some. Ooh, oh, that's gunky. Yeah, I need to get some. Need to get some stuff. All right, back here real shortly here. Naturally, all of my small screwdrivers, small flatheads that fit in this are busted. Imagine that. A guy like me breaking stuff. Alright, let's see if we get this cleaned out. There we go. See, all I'm doing is just cleaning a little bit of this junk off of this. We don't want it. If it's a clean metal, this seems like it'll work better. There we are. Same thing with this. See all this junk on it? We just want to clean that off. There we go. Yeah, I know I should be wearing gloves. Thinking this comes right up. Yeah. And oh, okay, so it's up here. A couple different throttles here. Okay. This must be the vent. That's the fuel line. That comes right off. Well, there's fuel in it, so that's a good sign. Not too shabby. Alright. Alright, we're going to hold this up. There's one. And pull this right off. Maybe. There we go. See? There's our carburetor. That looks okay down there. And I'm going to guess, and take a wild guess, that this just needs to be cleaned. Alright, probably I'm going to take this one off, see what happens here. Alright. There we go. Feel fuel coming out of it. That membrane in there is still nice and flexible, so we're going to keep that. And there's grime into this, so we're going to take this and we're just going to give it a quick cleaning. Just some spray. Well, that's all nice and clean in there. Well, maybe not. There we go. It looks pretty good. Just gonna put it back together. Move on to the other side. If it's not the carburetor, it's probably this right here. But there's fuel coming in, so it looks okay. I don't know, that gasket. Yeah, I'll order a new gasket if I can find one. All right, let's check this side. Pull these off, hopefully not lose anything. And I just did. This is just filthy down there. Yeah, so what we're going to do, this is going to need to be all torn apart. This isn't going to be an easy fix. This pin is stuck. So I'm going to just take it apart. We're going to soak it and clean it, and hopefully it'll get started right up again. Alright, so I didn't clean it out. I didn't have all the proper cleaner that I wanted. So I sprayed it out with that spray can carburetor cleaner, and I got the pin moving again, which is something. I mean, I just literally just sprayed it and then broke the pin free. So I ordered a rebuild kit for it and a new chain, and hopefully that's all I'm going to need. So who knows? But I'm going to try. I'm just curious. I'm going to try putting some fresh fuel in, and we're going to try to turn it over just to see what happens. Here we go. This is choking on. It's running. Well, that was something anyway. Huh. Well, that's interesting. It leads me to believe that maybe a carburetor needs to be tuned too. Before I do that though, I want the rebuild kit to come in. We'll do it all at once. But I don't know. Well, it's been a couple weeks since I recorded the first video. I left off where we just cleaned out this carburetor briefly. I ordered a rebuild kit, and unfortunately that hasn't showed up, so we're going to move on without it, and hopefully this cleaning it did the job. Another thing that I kind of figured was a problem since last time is this little guy right here. Let me show you. This is a carburetor boot, right? It's not supposed to look like that. It's supposed to look like this. There you go, I just ordered one. And there we go. It's supposed to look like that. Which might be why the engine was revving and dying so readily, is because there was an air leak. So, we're going to fix that today. Let's go. Alright. For these old saws, it's going to take just some screws. You're going to have to unscrew this part to release that part and all that other good crap. But we're going to see about putting this in there. So just going to remove this screw. Luckily these saws are pretty straightforward, so we're going to take one screw out. Hopefully I don't lose them. There we go, it's dropping right out. Take that out. And okay, we got ourselves an issue. Have to take out this and that. You gotta take out the bottom screws, because this is a two-piece saw, right? You gotta take out these monstrosities. Little ones go up in on this. And I'm going to need a wrench. because this unit comes in. Oh, you know what? While I'm at it, I'm just going to clean that off. Ooh. Look how dirty that bad boy is. Okay, we'll get it. So we have that off. We're going to take out these side screws here to take off this entire top, I bet you. Oh boy. Yeah. I'll be right back. Alright, what we need to do is take out the vibration holder things. This is a 1/2 inch wrench. There. There we go, so all the bolts are taken off. Now we're just going to... What am I stuck on here? Okay, I see what's going on here. Alright, I'm going to see how to pop this off here in a minute. I think it got epoxied in. That's no good. Alright, as I suspected, the felling dog got epoxied in the place and I had to break that loose. Anyway, so here we go. We're going on now. You see this little thingamajigger here had to come out, right? And clean around there. There we go. Put this on. Put this on. There we go. Boot is now in place. Alright, we're gonna put this. There we go. Alright, now we just gotta put back together. So when I get put back together, I'll call you back. There we go. Okay. Let's just put this stuff on like so. I don't have a chain yet, or a chain or a bar, because the replacement bar got held up in the mail like most all the other parts. So I was lucky to get that boot in today. All right, a lot of oil in this bad boy. I tried to drain the oil out, it just wasn't happening for me. But that's okay. We're gonna put it back together, and I'm gonna try to give it a few pulls just to see if it does anything. I have a feeling it probably won't until I get the new carburetor stuff, but I don't know until I try, right? I just like this to run a little bit. It's a nice old saw, and it deserves to run a touch. Alright, well, let's bring her down and try it out. Here we go. Got it on everything it needs to be. Oh, it's on off. That would help. Alright, well, I'm going to give it a rest, see what happens. No luck today. I need to get the carburetor rebuild kit and new spark plugs, or a new spark plug. Maybe we'll start then. It was starting up the other day, or a couple weeks ago, but I don't know. It wasn't staying running because of the boot. So evidently something happened between then and now, so it's probably the carburetor. Alright, it has been a few days, well, a week and a half or so. My biggest issue is I ordered parts, and every single part I ordered, except for the spark plug, got lost in the mail. So I'm a little bit pissed off. So I went ahead and put this all back together after, because last time I worked on it, we cleaned on the carburetor. So hopefully it's enough. Hopefully a new spark plug and a new fuel line. Hopefully it works. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to give it a pull and we're going to see what happens. Alright, here we go. Last time. Let's see what we got. Alright. Come on, bro. It finally fired, kinda. But there we go. Hope you guys have a great day. Hey, dogs. Oh, finally got it. Woo. Alright. That's time for real. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great day. I'm super proud of myself that I was able to finally get that started. Apparently, fuel line was blocked. Go figure.